Thanks. Want to continue our live team coverage right now with Amanda McKenzie. She's live in Seminole County. Amanda, good morning. The Department of Health releasing that form now that allows people under 65 to get vaccinated.
That's right. The Department of Health released that new form late last night for high-risk people under the age of 65. And starting today, it is required per the governor's executive order. Now, on this form, it has a spot for a physician to certify that a person has been determined to be extremely vulnerable to COVID-19 and is therefore eligible to receive the vaccine. The executive order requires highly trained medical staff to administer it. And as we found out, some county sites don't have that level of trained staff.
It doesn't say RNs can do it. It doesn't say paramedics can do it.
The staff at the Seminole County site at the Oviedo Mall have the qualifications now required by the state, but that's not the case at the Osceola County site located on Simmons Road. Teams there can give the vaccine to most people, but don't meet the criteria outlined in the executive order to administer it to people who have special conditions. There is some concern among folks who have already scheduled their appointments for today that say they already have a doctor's note, but not this form signed by their doctor. We are contacting the state to get more clarification. Now, if you already have an appointment scheduled at a Publix like this one for today, Publix has released some more guidelines saying that they will only enforce this new form starting for people with appointments on Friday. Now, again, this form is just for people with high-risk conditions under the age of 65, and we do have a link to it on our website, fox35orlando.com. Reporting live in Seminole County, Amanda McKenzie, Fox 35 News.
Amanda, thanks.